Welcome to the show. Instead... Oh, yeah. And if I'm not, I'm up to no good.
I am Arnold Schwarzenegger!
Oh, you never know, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Oh, my God.
Oh my God, no! Show me around your fruitcake, and I hope be your heart happy.
You turn it down. Very nice, yeah.
You listen to me here.
That's nice.
Okay.
All right, no. Yeah, and then we get the kielbasa out of here. And... Everyone settle down. Everyone settle down.
What? I'll get you, Conan. I will cudgel you with my slide rule.
Hello, Moses.
What kind of show do you think this is?
Okay. All right.